Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Bogo of the day. We are Wednesday, the 20th of February, and the Bogo of the day is get one by one cheer and get one motivate for free. So these are roll-on bottles. They are blended and they are already diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so you don't have to worry about dilution. So the deal is to buy one of these and you get the other one for free. And just to let you know that the Doterra Emotional Aromatherapy Kit comes in the undiluted kit, which is this one. They're part of this family of the whole other of sisters, and they also come in a whole family of roll-on bottle sisters as well. So this is the pre-diluted and this is the non-diluted. So today we're talking about the diluted one, which is the Touch. We call it the Touch. And they're very handy, as you know. They come straight into a roller bottle like this, ready to apply straight on the skin. So let's talk about cheer first. Cheer is the oil of cheer. If you are feeling down, if you are feeling negative emotions, if you have burden that has been germinating inside you for a long time and you can't shift it, if you are feeling hopeless and helpless, so this is a really good oil to cheer you up, to give you a bit of oomph in your life. If you feel like this is a perfect time with coming out from winter, going to spring, and really feeling like you need to shake some bad energy and negative energy that has been in you for a while, this is a great oil to use. The way I use it is basically just open the bottle and I roll it around my heart like this, my chest. I roll it behind my ears, behind my neck. It smells absolutely beautiful. On my wrists, the bottom of my feet, and sometimes on my back as well. These are pressure point. They are absolutely crucial to put these oils on there because they are all linked to the limbic system, where all our emotions, our moods, and all our memories are stored. So this is really good way to affect the limbic system quickly and effectively. So cheer is your oil, and it has wild orange, clove, star anise, lemon, nutmeg, vanilla, and other essential oils. So you can just imagine the smell of this oil. I absolutely adore the aromatherapy kit and every single oil, and I have developed a system to work with all the oils in the kit, whether they are non-blended or blended. So if you're interested in knowing the system and you want to get a hold of the whole kit, let me know. But that's cheer for you. And in terms of the emotions, because I am very, very lean towards the emotional benefit of essential oils, they're not here just to cheer us up just for the sake of it. They really work deep down in our emotions. So the cheer blend encourages you to overcome the feelings of, as I said, being helpless and hopeless, but also it stretches beyond this. It really enhances the faith in you. It enhances the ability to have confidence in you and to look at the bright sides. Everything passes, whether it's a good or a bad thing. We experienced a really emotional day yesterday, so today is another day, and you just have to accept and let go and process your emotions in the right way. Don't let them store themselves in you, because they will come up in the surface and they will affect your life in a very bad way. So let go of your emotions, and essential oils are just a tool to help you do that. Right, so that's cheer. And now when you get cheer, when you buy cheer, you have motivate for free. Motivate is another, as I said, blend with all the sisters here. And motivate is an encouraging blend. Let me just go to my page to make sure that I'm talking in a sense. So this blend is very minty, it's very encouraging, very citrusy. It has peppermint, clementine, coriander, basil, melissa, and other essential oils. Again, can you imagine the aroma of all these oils together? The mint comes out first. Obviously, you can. It's a very encouraging blend. I use it exactly the same way on my pressure point. neck, back behind the neck, and the wrists, the back. This is great. Both oils and all the sisters are very good for sensitive skin. They're very good for elderly, and they're very good for kids. So I use them a lot. My son, who's 9, is a very emotional kid. He likes to put too much pressure on himself for some reason. He goes to school and thinks, am I going to be doing well? Is the teacher going to tell me off? Blah, blah, blah. He's always thinking on the negative side, which I don't know where he gets that from, because I'm always quite positive and trying to tell him that, always look at the positive side in life. So that's why I'm helping him to think, get out of that thinking and look at the bright side. So I help him a lot with my emotional therapy kit, and I use a lot of all on because they are already pre-diluted and I don't have to think about sensitive skin. He has sensitive skin. So the same way I use cheer, I use all the pressure points, all linked to the limbic system, all linked to our emotions and our mood and how we process our thoughts and where we store our negative emotions. So this is great to get out of that cycle of bad energy. Motivate is an encouraging blend, so it really puts the confidence in you again to do anything. Perfect timing to come out of the cobwebs, perfect timing to look at the spring and cheer and motivate and look at the project that you want to do, or planning, or anything that you will you put on hold, and you think maybe this is a time to feel confident and I can do that. So it's an amazing way to really boost your confidence and boost your actions. So in here, my book, it says that it really helps to motivate, encourage, assist individual to who has been stagnated for a while, so needs to be fire up in action. So it's really good boost for confidence. It really helps you with the confidence, creative inspiration, and intention. So it strengthens those actions, it strengthens the beliefs in you that you can do anything. Especially helpful in times where you feel a bit distressed, discouraged, low energy. We are, or sometimes we care too much and we are sick, and then our emotions turn into on us. We become really, if we give too much, we have nothing left for us to give. So we can't really look after ourselves, and this is something that we have learned yesterday. So you have to look after yourself, you have to look after your emotions, you have to look after your energy. So this is an important way of looking after yourself, and basically supporting your feelings, supporting your energy, and that's it. You motivate, you help yourself, and you energize. So these are amazing blends, part of the aromatherapy kit. You can get them either in a kit with all the sisters, and I have a system to work with these beautiful soul, beautiful energy, and the same way with this is an enrollment kit. You get a diffuser with this one as well. And if you get your hands on this, you can also dilute these oils, and I help you with dilution as well. But if you can't be bothered and you want just to get them ready in your purse, off on you go with this. I take them with me on my training. I take them with me absolutely everywhere in my travel. I have them with me all the time, and sometimes I'll just open both of them and just go like that. Double whammy. Don't waste any time. All right, my lovelies, I hope you're having a fabulous time. I hope you get hold of these beauties. The Bogo is the most incredible time for us because it really helped a lot of people get on the journey with Doterra. Started very small, or inspire them to get kits and say, okay, I've got my wholesale account now, I can really enjoy every month or a few months here and there. I can buy whatever I want at 25% off. Have a beautiful day. If you have any questions, do get in touch with me. Bye for now.